Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix clock widget is not showing in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your clock widget or your clock is not showing on your home screen here or anywhere on your home screen, so let's see how can you get it back or how can you restore your clock widget. So the very first thing, you just have to press and hold on an empty place on your home screen until you see this type interface. You just have to click on widgets. Under widgets, just scroll down, look for clock. Here's the clock, just click on it, and from here you have to select the clock you want to set. So the very first, this is the alarm session. You can add your alarms on your home screen. There's an analog clock, there's a digital clock, there's a dual analog and dual digital clock. So let's say I'm gonna select this one. Just press and hold on it, drag and drop anywhere on your home screen. You can also adjust its size, and once you have set it up, I keep a long press on it. You might see this type square or the rectangle on this. Just expand its any corner and it will be resized to its maximum or minimum size. So in this way, you can easily restore your missing clock widget on your home screen and Samsung Galaxy S17, 37 or 57. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.